Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of feasts of the Mediterranean. So, let's get started. The Mediterranean region is known for its diverse and flavorful cuisine. It's a melting pot of cultures, and each country has its own unique dishes and cooking styles. Let's explore some of the most popular feasts in the Mediterranean. First up, we have the Greek feast. This feast is all about sharing and enjoying delicious dishes like moussaka, a layered dish of eggplant, ground beef, and a creamy bechamel sauce. Another popular dish is dolmades, grape leaves stuffed with rice, herbs, and spices. And of course, no Greek feast is complete without a plate of freshly baked pita bread and a side of tzatziki, a creamy yogurt-based sauce. Next, we have the Italian feast. This feast is all about the pasta. From spaghetti to ravioli, pasta is the star of the show. But don't forget about the other Italian classics like pizza, lasagna, and bruschetta. And of course, no Italian feast is complete without a bottle of red wine. Then, we have the Spanish feast. This feast is all about the tapas, small plates of food that are perfect for sharing. Some popular tapas include patatas bravas, crispy potatoes topped with a spicy tomato sauce, and croquettes, a crispy breaded dish filled with cheese or ham. And of course, no Spanish feast is complete without a glass of sangria. Finally, we have the Moroccan feast. This feast is all about the tagines, a slow-cooked stew that's served in a clay pot. Some popular tagines include chicken with preserved lemons, lamb with prunes, and fish with olives. And of course, no Moroccan feast is complete without a plate of freshly baked bread and a side of harissa, a spicy red pepper sauce. That's it for today's feast tour of the Mediterranean. I hope you enjoyed learning about these delicious dishes and that you're inspired to try some new recipes. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more foodie fun. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy eating!